Hi, I'm Trisha Lamb. I'm from Kettering, Ohio, and I drive a Subaru Outback. I love it because it's rugged and luxurious at the same time, and I can put Blue in the back and we can just go. I'm a photographer and I love to go and take photos in nature, and I also love to paint. We love hiking and canoeing and camping, and it just feels like it's going to be a great fit for our family. I've always wanted an Outback. 30 seconds after being in the car, I knew it was a great fit. I have a lot of friends who drive Subarus, and I've heard just great things, recommendations that Wagner Subaru was a great experience, and they made it effortless to buy a car. And when we went to go buy the car, we test drove it and told them that we wanted it. We came back the next day, all the paperwork was ready, and we were in and out within like 30 minutes. It was like kind of sign and drive type thing. Wagner Subaru, love the experience.